Welcome to the SheetConnect demo. In this video, we'll show how you can securely share, control, and analyze your spreadsheets, all while keeping the full power of Excel. Let's take a look at the key features that make SheetConnect secure, powerful, and easy to use. Fast deployment. No coding or rebuild required. Your existing spreadsheet is web-ready in minutes. 100% Excel compatibility. All formulas, VBA, macros, and add-ins work exactly as they do in Excel. Built-in security and compliance. A single master version stays on your network or in the cloud. No local saves, every edit is tracked, and access is controlled. Integrated data. Connect spreadsheets to Salesforce, SQL, or other systems for automatic data flow. Each session's inputs and results are stored in a secure relational database. SheetConnect controls both the access to and saving of spreadsheets. The master spreadsheet, the single source of truth, is stored on your network or in the cloud. When an authorized user needs to work with it, SheetConnect makes the spreadsheet available through a secure browser session. Each user works independently on their own copy, so multiple people can use the same spreadsheet at the same time, without interfering with each other's work. When the user finishes, instead of saving the file locally, their input data is securely sent back to the central database and can also be shared with other systems, like your CRM or SQL database, so everything stays synchronized across your organization. Let's look at an example. Here's a simple mortgage calculator built in Excel. You can access it in the SheetConnect directory, where every user sees only the spreadsheets they're authorized to use, along with any previous cases they've saved. This directory replaces the need to hunt through folders of files. It's all centralized and searchable. Let's open the mortgage calculator. When I launch it, you'll notice it looks exactly like Excel. The big difference is that SheetConnect is controlling both access and saving. I'm still using the same spreadsheet I always have. No rebuild, no coding, no loss of formulas, VBA, or add-ins. The spreadsheet behaves exactly as expected because we're running the original Excel logic. The difference comes when I go to save my work. If I try to save this locally, you'll see I can't. SheetConnect disables local saving to prevent uncontrolled copies and version confusion. Instead, I'll click Save from the custom ribbon. This securely sends both my input data and calculated results to the central database. Back in the directory, you can see that my new case has appeared automatically with the date, time, and my username recorded. Every save is logged, giving you a full audit trail of who ran it, when, and what data was entered. From here, I can search, filter, or reopen any prior case without ever leaving the web interface. Behind the scenes, all of this data can connect directly to your other systems, like Salesforce, HubSpot, or an SQL database, so the information flows both ways between your spreadsheets and your business platforms. Administrators can manage access by user or role, enable optional approval workflows, and instantly analyze results through built-in reporting and dashboard capabilities. SheetConnect eliminates version confusion and risky file sharing, creating one secure environment for your organization to work smarter. Discover more at isasoftware.com.